So continuing to our previous video, now we are in an ad group and we will have to create a ad group. So I will have to name the ad group. Here it says like ad group name. So I will have to give the name to ad group, and I'll say Kanatal Resort, and it's asking for a default bid, or you can say hotel here, and default bid would be, I would say like I'll keep it 10 rupees as the default bid. All the keywords will be by default will be set to rupees 10, and I will have to enter or write the keywords. Like if you see here the right side, here is a URL, like my website URL, and there is a suggestion for me, like for example like hotel, suite room, family suite. But if I select this keyword like family suite, so it will be, my ad will be shown to all over India. That means someone searching for family suite, if my ad show on this keyword, that is not related. If someone is searching it on another location, not in a Kanatal, so my ad will be shown, that is no use of mine. So actually I want the people searching for my location, like the specific location is Kanatal, so I want the people to search, like if someone is searching like hotel in Kanatal or resort, Kanatal resort, like if I see, you can take an idea from here, like Kanatal hotel, and if I click on enter, let's see, if I see Kanatal camp, I can just add this one. It's a Dhanolti resort, best hotel in Dhanolti. It's a Kanatal resort. Here it's a good search, like 10k. That means this this one is a useful keyword. So I'll be putting like only 3 keywords, and what I will do it here, I will put a modifier here like plus sign and plus sign. That is a modifier. So it's telling me like I'll get the 8 clicks in 53 rupees, like in 53.68 rupees I'll get 8 clicks, and the average CPC will be like 6.83. and if I want some more, I can also select this keyword, because this is specific to my location. Like someone is searching for the terraces Kanatal, like this is a hotel in a Kanatal. So if someone is searching for this keyword, still my ad can be shown and my website can be shown to him, so that there can be chances to book a room for this hotel, like the Pacific Kanatal. So I will add this one as well, and this one as well. So now I have a 12 click per day, and the cost will be 80.36. if I can see some more, here it is, the one more, the Kanatal resort packages, one more is there. I can add these keywords are added. I'll get 13 clicks and 85 rupees approx, and the average CPC will be 6.75. okay, now let's continue with like save and continue. And now I will have to create the ads, like ad related to the website and keywords. Like if we can say the best uh, the Pacific Kanatal best resort in Tal, and the headline 3 is required, and we can look like for our keywords, like our keywords were like Kanatal resort package, like best get best some packages. This is an example I'm showing you, and you can write the description like whatever you want to type as a description, like perfect we care. Okay, let's see quality and trained staff, great customer, sorry, the spelling of the great is great customer service. Here you can see like quality and trained staff, great customer service. The ad will be shown like this on those keywords, and we can click on save and continue. And this is the one sample ad. At least you should create 3 ads so that the ad can be rotated, and you can check like which ad is going to work very well, and you will get to know like which ad is going to perform well. And after that if the 1 or 2 ad is not performing well, you can change it accordingly, like you can change it according to that particular ad which is performing well. So now we can say, now if you created the ad, you set the keywords, now it's a point to set your billing, like your country is India, like your billing country is India, your time zone is GMT 5.30, that is the Indian time zone. Introductory offer, if you have a promotional code, you can put the promotional code here and apply. And account type, if you are dealing with the business account, you can set the business account. If you are an individual, you can set the individual account. If you have a tax information, like if you are registered, that means you have to put the PAN card number, TAN number, or a GST number. Or if you are not registered, you can set that unregistered individual, and the PAN card and TAN is a optional. The name and address, now you have to type the address here, the postal code, state and phone number. And how you pay, like if you want to pay with the credit card, you can select like automatic payment, you can select your credit card here, and once the credit card is selected, you click on I agree and submit. It will redirect you to the credit card website, and it will ask for the payment, like in the beginning, like it will deduct like 1 or 2 rupees to set the card, and it will work as a post pay. But still you have some another option, like if you want to do a manual payment, you can do a manual payment, like for example I say 1000 rupees and I want to do a manual. Like you have a different option, like you have a Google Pay option, you have a money transfer, you have a net banking, you have a Paytm option. So if you want to set with the net banking, you can set the net banking, you can select I agree, and once you click on submit, it will redirect you to the banking site, and you can choose the option like which bank you want to pay from. and your account will be set. After setting the billing option, your Google account will be set, and now you can create the multiple campaigns, ad groups inside that. This was the just an example to show you like how you can create the campaign, how you can create the Google account, and how you can create the ad group and ads. So in our next video, what we will do, we will create some new campaign and new ad group for this website, and we will see how we can add some more extension to our ads and how we can target the devices as well. So let's meet in the next video.